Hi, I'm Ernie Medina with TRB, and I'd like to share with you a little bit about the new news that we recently received about the Supreme Court hearing a critical gun rights case that is going on. It actually stems from New York. It was a New York case that they're actually going to hear about the right to carry outside of the home. Certainly for us gun owners and in the 2A community, this is a pivotal case because it has the potential to really expand and secure our firearms rights and do great things. Certainly has the potential to go the other way, but this case is going to be heard later this year, I believe in October, and what's going to happen is they're going to hear or talk about the right to carry outside of the home and certain states' imposition of needing a probable cause or a good cause or whatever statement in order to carry outside the home and achieve or get the concealed carry permit. So assuming that the Supreme Court rules in favor of self-protection, self-defense being just cause enough, that would nullify some of the states like New York, California, and other states that have a strict good cause may issue type style of concealed carry process. This would actually lift all that and simply the right to self-defense and that being your good cause be sufficient enough. So this is a really big type of case that is going to be heard. We certainly are hopeful that the Supreme Court will rule in favor of the Second Amendment having the right to self-defense be enough to simply be the good cause and nullify that for sure. Now, we have certain grumblings about the Supreme Court, its makeup and things like that. So as we all know, there have been 3 new justices added to the courts in recent years. So we do have what is considered to be a conservative majority. So we're hopeful that that works in our favor for protecting the constitutionality of this. Now, this is a big case because it is the first gun rights type case that is being heard in over a decade. The last case that was heard or disputed was back in 2008 with the Heller case, which talked about the right to keep and bear arms in the home for self-defense. As we all know, that case ruled in favor of Heller, where people's right to keep and bear arms in the home was secure, and then certainly some smaller cases have stemmed off from that. But this is the first case that is going to be heard in over a decade and has the potential to be as big as the Heller case back then. So we're hopeful, we're mindful about it. We're looking forward to this getting heard in October and a favorable ruling. Now, for those of us behind enemy lines in California, Stan, there was a recent Ninth Circuit opinion that was recently posted maybe about a month or so ago, where the opinion of the Ninth Circuit, which was a case being disputed in Hawaii, their opinion was the right to carry in public, concealed carry, was not necessarily in keeping with the Second Amendment. So while that was not a ruling, that was an opinion. So this case has the potential, that's being heard by the Supreme Court, has the potential to squash that opinion even of the Ninth Circuit. So for those of us on the West Coast, in states like Hawaii and California and things like that, this is a big case for us because it'll preserve and protect our right to carry outside of our home. So stay tuned for more. Keep up with these cases, these rules, these laws, as it certainly impacts us immediately in the years to come. Did you visit the Orange County Sheriff's Department website and feel overwhelmed at the daunting application process? Well, give us a call and reach out to us, and we'll work with you and for you in order to prepare your application so you have the best chance of getting approved for your CCW.